Welcome, mighty warriors of flexibility and fearless seekers of inner balance. Grab your yoga mats, your sense of humor, and maybe a wrench, just in case we need to unscrew any stuck joints. Let's begin by sitting down. That's right, all the way down. No, not there, here. Get those legs crossed. If you can't cross them, tie them. If you can't tie them, just think cross thoughts. Now, breathe in the wisdom of the universe, or, at the very least, the aroma of your scented candles. Breathe out all the unnecessary stuff like skepticism and that annoying song stuck in your head. Keep breathing in and out. Feel your body relax for each breath. Feel the energy within you. It's like a dancing flame, or maybe a hyper squirrel. Either way, it's very excited to be part of this meditation. Let's transition into the giggling guru pose. This involves raising your eyebrows in complete disbelief at what you're doing, and then laughing so hard that you snort. It's all part of the process. Trust me. Next, the unreasonably relaxed rabbit pose. This is where you stretch out as far as you can without actually moving. Don't question the logic, just feel the stretch or imagine you're feeling it. Are you feeling enlightened yet? No? Well, let's attempt the surprisingly stiff serpent pose. It's like the cobra pose, but without the grace, poise, or ability to frighten small mammals. Now, close your eyes and imagine yourself floating on a cloud of absolute tranquility. If that's too cliché, imagine yourself floating on a giant jelly donut. The choice is yours, the calories are not. Let's wrap up our session with some deep breaths, profound thoughts, and the hope that we'll eventually untangle our legs. Inhale deeply. Exhale with purpose or with whatever else you've got left. And there you have it. You've laughed with your legs crossed, twisted in ways you never thought possible, and achieved a level of absurd enlightenment that only this meditation could offer. Namaste. Or as we say here, namaste silly.